Welcome back mga
And
tao.
then,
Wala, exhibit meet and greet
wait, where?
sa bahay. Like, kasi may free space ako sa first floor. I'm gonna turn it into...
Like how many
How many what?
people?
Honestly, I don't know. Hindi pa na pag-usapan. Maybe like around
Not that many dapat.
25, 30. Yeah.
Intimate lang.
Yeah,
I like that.
exactly. Kasi nakakapagod pag 40. What time yung last time? 55? Full house yun, di ba? Girl, pagod. Ubus yung social battery. Tsaka.
Wait, how do you do it? But like, you talk. Todo to.
Bakla na sa McDo. And then, pinupuksa ko lang. Playtime. Dog show. Chika. Meet and greet. Chika. Hi, hello. Ganun yung
I
atake.
feel like
You should.
it should be.
Go lang.
Pero kung lahat ng
Boys only, no?
Boys only.
Puri. Baka
Public boys only.
Tapos 5 lang kayo. Pogi dapat
Kasi mama dyan, alam mo, di mo lang kayong binanding at all.
Andito ba siya?
Yung mga tao.
Ay, oo nga. Sister, I miss you so much. I'll see you sa US of A. I hope.
When and where?
Wait, is John gonna join? Hindi. Wala siya nag-request. Walang request.
Ma, why are you spoiling them?
Kasi par mapagalitan na naman yung ate ko. Bakit wala kayong nabasa? John Fideliaga delete.
Hello.
Hello guys. Yeah. Wrong spelling yung Simbading.
Why?
Z-I. Charis. Clock ko ba yung spelling? Sobrang strict. What's your...
Nanguha.
Tsaka like... You guys look fresh. You wanna promote something ba?
Me? I want to promote.
Pero sold out. There's nothing to promote kasi sold
I
out.
I have my day 2 for birthday.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Ino.
Pero, pagod eh. So, I feel like I want to promote Queen of Hearts, day 2. But that's like
Sold out.
Although we have a show in Pampanga, but
Sold out na din.
not yet.
Is it not?
Not
Yuck
yet.
flop. Charot.
Pero I feel like there are still, seats.
Walk in.
Yeah.
Malaki
And
ba yung
then-
venue?
Yeah. It is.
Okay, so magpe-prepare ako ng malaki. Okay.
Yeah. But also, I want to promote